Welcome to day 23. Happy birthday. I'm going to play the melody first and then a harmony second. This is in 3/4 time, so I'm going to give you 1, 2, 3, 1, and then a beat of space, and then we'll play Happy Birthday. Okay, and the little line with the dot, a bird's eye or fermata as it's known, is to hold the note longer. So when we get to the last fermata, we're going to hold that note long because it's for dramatic effect. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 1. Harmony. 1, 2, 3, 1. To play the high C, you want to start first by playing 1, 2, 3, all your fingers down, this one, and then make sure that you play low and then just pop the register key and practice that a bunch of times. Just tip it barely. Happy birthday! If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up or accent the like button, as the boys say. Have a great day.